Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be coding a simple game called Guess the Number in Java. Let's get it started. Here we have a class called Guess the Number. Inside this class, we have our main method. For this game, we need to get input from the user and generate a random number. Let's import the necessary libraries. Now, let's create an object from each library. Inside these parentheses, we need to seed the sequence of random numbers to avoid getting the same numbers each time we run the program. I will seed this with system.currentTime_millis. By using this as the seed, you ensure that each time you create a new random instance, it will be initialized with a different seed value based on the current system time. This helps produce a different sequence of random numbers each time you run the program. Now, let's create an object from the scanner class. Inside these parentheses, we type system.in as the input source. By using this as the input source, you can read input from the user through the console or terminal window. Next, let's initialize a random integer variable. Inside the parentheses, we need to set the random range. We want a range between 1 and 100. But keep in mind that computers count from 0. So if you set 100 here, it will generate numbers between 1 and 99. To get a range of 1 to 100, we need to add 1. Now we have a number in the range of 1 to 100. After initializing the random variable, we need a Boolean flag for our game loop. First, we set the value to false. If the user gets the correct number, we will change this flag to true, which will break the loop and declare the user as the winner. Now let's create our loop. The condition for this loop is set to check if the flag is not true, meaning the game is still ongoing. If you click the guide button, it will suggest simplifying this condition to just while, not flag. It's not a big deal here. Inside our loop, we need to prompt the user to enter their guess and initialize a variable to store their input. Now we have the user's guess and a random number, so we just need to compare the numbers. If the player's guess is higher than the random number, we say please guess lower. And if the player's guess is lower than the random number, we say please guess higher. And else, so the numbers are equal, we say you won, and we display the number to the console. Finally, we set the flag to true to break the loop. Now let's compile the program and see the result. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The whole code is in the description. See you soon.